Hello, I'm Bretton, one of our MCAT tutors here at Inspira Advantage, where we help students get accepted into medical school and other professional programs. And welcome to MCAT Bites. Today we're diving deep into cell division. We'll be exploring the two main types, mitosis and meiosis. These processes are fundamental to life, allowing organisms to grow, repair tissues, and reproduce. Even more important than life itself is your MCAT score, and this will help you get way more points. Mitosis and meiosis make up anywhere from 10 to 20% of the biochem questions, so you super want to make sure you've got this down like the back of your hand. Let's start with the easy one, mitosis. Mitosis is the process by which somatic cells divide to reproduce two genetically identical daughter cells. It's crucial for growth, repair, and asexual reproduction. Before we dive into stages of mitosis, let's talk about interphase. This is a period between cell division where the cell grows, carries out its function, and prepares for division. You could think of it like it's you every day of your life. You get up, you shower, you eat some food, drink some water, use the bathroom, go to sleep. The other stages of mitosis would be when you are ready to breed and make another person. Now that we've got that figured out, let's break down the stages of mitosis. First, we've got prophase. This is when the chromosomes are going to condense and become visible. We can see it under a microscope. Woohoo! The nuclear envelope begins to break down and mitotic spindles start to form. That's these purple squiggly bits at the top. Then we have metaphase. That's where chromosomes are going to align at the cell's equator, attached to spindle fibers at their centromeres. And we've got anaphase. This is when sister chromatids separate and move to opposite poles of the cell, being pulled by the spindle fibers. Finally, we've got telophase, which is when the chromosomes decondense and nuclear envelopes reform around the separated sets of chromosomes. Question: what would happen if the spindle fibers failed to attach properly at the chromosome during metaphase? Well, this would trigger the spindle assembly checkpoint, halting the cell cycle, and if not corrected, it could lead to improper chromosome segregation and aneuploidy. Now that we've got mitosis down, time to do the scary one, meiosis. The stages of meiosis are similar to mitosis, but with some very crucial differences. Meiosis is the process used to produce gametes, egg and sperm cells, with half the number of chromosomes. It involves 2 rounds of division and results in 4 genetically diverse daughter cells. The stages of meiosis are similar to mitosis, but we'll break down where they're a little bit different. So starting with meiosis 1, we've got prophase 1, which is when the homologous chromosomes pair up and undergo crossing over, so we're showing some genetic information. Metaphase is the exact same, anaphase is the exact same, telophase is the exact same. We're resulting in 2 cells, except the chromosome number is different. After telophase 1, we have half the number of chromosomes. Then for meiosis 2, this is almost identical to mitosis. It starts with half the number of chromosomes and results in 4 haploid cells. So the key differences are meiosis produces haploid cells, mitosis produces diploid cells. Meiosis involves 2 divisions, mitosis involves 1 division. Meiosis involves crossing over, leading to genetic recombination. Mitosis does not. Meiosis results in 4 genetically diverse cells. Mitosis results in 2 identical cells. Why is crossing over so important in meiosis? Well, crossing over increases genetic diversity by creating new combinations of alleles on each chromosome, contributing to the variation we see in offspring. Let's review the key points of this one. Mitosis produces genetically identical cells for growth and repair. Meiosis produces genetically diverse gametes for sexual reproduction. Both processes involve similar stages, but with crucial differences. The outcome of mitosis and meiosis serve different biological purposes. If I get a cut, I don't want my cells to undergo sexual reproduction. That'd be weird, and then the cells are going to be different. I want just mitosis to happen to fill it in with same old skin and tissue. Understanding these processes is fundamental to grasping concepts in genetics, development, and reproduction, as well as getting more points on that MCAT, especially with the biochem section. Thank you so much for watching our video on cell division, mitosis, and meiosis, and I will see you next time.